question one step further, because what I'm seeing and what I'm hearing and what I saw that came across on my phone, I think we're talking tonight about the beginning of a project that eventually is going to go all the way to 11 Mile Road. And with what he just said about Sackrider Farms and so forth, it appears to me that what we're talking about right now in the regard of 13 Mile and C Drive is one phase, and it's going to continue, if you look, all the way to 11 Mile Road. This is, in the end, going to be a whole lot bigger than what you're talking about right now in the regard of 13 Mile Road, C Drive, and the river. This is going to continue to go all the way out to the casino and 11 Mile all the way. That's what you're showing there in all that gray. That's huge. And I think we've got a right to know if tonight we're discussing proposal A and B and C and D and E are coming along, because those of us who live in metropolitan Ceresco, what are we going to have in that little orange triangle there that Donnie pointed out in the regard of this huge gray mass here? I want that question answered tonight. That's a huge proposal, and that's bigger than what we learned about it on our cell phones yesterday.
Chris Stout, 15 Mile Road. I'd like to know about the wildlife